making yourself as comfortable as you can, sitting with the back straight, your face soft, the shoulders relaxed, the lower back melting down towards the floor, keeping the thighs soft, taking slow, deep breaths, inhaling, feeling the body expanding, exhaling, letting go. Inhale, expand your body. Exhale, let go. Starting to bring your awareness to the top of your head and visualizing a beautiful waterfall. Imagining yourself under a waterfall, feeling the water coming onto the head, cleansing your head area, feeling the water trickling down the face, feeling the weight of the water on your shoulders, relaxing the shoulders. Start to feel the coolness of the water going down your spine, down the chest and your arms, cleansing your body completely. Feel the pressure of the water touching the thighs and feel it cleanse your feet, feeling your entire body completely cleansed. Starting to bring the awareness back to the top of the head. And now start to imagine the waterfall as bright white light. And feel this light entering the head. And feel it spread all over your head, to the left side, to the right side. Cleansing your head area, allowing you to think clearly. Feel the light going down lower, around the eyes, cleansing the eyes, allowing you to see the good, to see the beauty around you, and to see the beauty within you. Let the light go down deeper. Feel it cleansing the mouth area, the throat, allowing you to speak positively, to speak only kind words about yourself and about others. Feel this light going deeper down towards your heart, cleansing the heart area, allowing you to feel good, to feel the best that is within you, to spread love, to spread joy. Feel the light going through the arms, through the torso, going down your left leg and your right leg, letting the light always guide you towards your true path, guide you in the right direction. Feeling your entire body filled with this beautiful white light. As you inhale, feel this light expanding. And as you exhale, letting go. Inhale, expanding the light within you. Slowly starting to become aware of your body, aware of yourself, coming back into the room, maybe gently moving your fingers and your toes. Start to bring your palms together to your heart center. Feeling the physical body cleansed, the mental body cleansed, and the emotional body. Turning your attention towards the heart, expressing gratitude towards yourself, to taking time out to look after your mind, look after your body. And gently bowing down towards yourself, leaving a gentle smile on your face. And I hope you keep the smile on for the rest of your day. Have a wonderful day. Namaste.